Expert ACM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term product genealogy. Manufacturers choose to track the product genealogy within a quality management solution to improve the outcome of their finished products. Managers are able to gain complete visibility into the production of every part, subassembly and final assembly to help identify quality issue before they become a problem to the organization. Product genealogy tracks important manufacturing information such as raw material, equipment used, inspection results, dates, quantities, lot numbers and serial numbers, including those products supplied by the vendors. The information collected through the product genealogy process can be used to measure quality output at each manufacturing stage against the intended product specification, and if any correction is required, that will be done. Tracking product genealogy within a quality management system increases confidence that comprehensive records will be electronically maintained for all audit readiness. Complete traceability can be obtained with a documented audit trail for all material, parts and finished products. Quality records include associated as-built or as-maintained configuration records and no non-conformance dispositioning. A digital thread of historical production data is maintained within the system. This may be required for improvement or audit purpose, and every organization has to maintain this. Thanks for watching. Bye.